Alright, so today I got my demo kit from T-Slots Aluminum, and we're gonna see what we got. So right here I just have the plan view and instructions. Use these to put everything together. Some different pieces of aluminum section, some brackets, screws, some fill-in pieces, some cage right here. Really all of this stuff is, what I get all set out, is just a demonstration of all the stuff that they have to offer. Gosh, I feel like this is some serious kit. I'll get it all taken out. Yeah, this is gonna be super exciting. We don't need that. So let's get this rolling. All right, so let's get this stuff opened up. All right, so here I am just quickly unboxing all of these parts. They're super well packaged, really well wrapped, and it's taking me a little while to actually get through them because they're put together so incredibly well, but everything is also superiorly labeled. So as I'm going through the instructions, it is a breeze to put all of them together. All right, so let's get this put together. All right, so I am starting to put together this full demo kit, starting with the big quad extrusion, putting on some angle brackets and a gusseted angle tab. Next, I'm kind of moving these slots around and starting to torque them so I can start to get this 2x1 piece in. And next, I am switching views real quick here so you can get a little bit of a better perspective. My camera kind of flopped on me, but I'm doing the best I can. So putting this rounded edge piece in, and I just tested it, super firm, super rock solid. Putting this gusset tab on the side, I'm preparing to put in this top piece by just torquing everything down, adding this hinge. It wasn't as sturdy as I expected, but for something that's plastic, it's pretty remarkably well put together. And sliding in this little slot into the top, finishing out this box frame. It's all super durable. I'm really impressed by this, actually. I forgot that I needed to include the centerpiece. So I'm adding in these little tabs right here. Fun fact, these are so strong that the metal will deflect the aluminum extrusion will before they will start to. So they're super duper strong. They take a little while to put in, but they have a really nice look when they're put together and hiding all of your fittings. Even for a pretty strong application, I was pretty impressed by this. They wouldn't slide around or anything like that. Now I'm adding in all the channels for this last handle to carry this kit together on top. Sitting there and thinking, and I'm wondering, how am I supposed to put together this last little grid? Just kind of to showcase some of the shielding things that you could do with aluminum extrusion. Putting it in the back, I accidentally put it in backwards, so I took it off and put it back in again. As you can see, it's like flopping around. So take it back off, flip it around, because I am a little bit of an idiot, and I put it back together. So the slides in, it's rock solid. Putting some end caps in place to make it look pretty. These little punch fit things go in super easily. And last but not least, I'm putting in some of the little slot covers for appearance. I would probably leave mine unfinished when I put something together myself. It's nice to see the product and see how it all works. So I'm super excited. All right, so as we building the T-Slots demo kit assembly, we have a little hinge slot right here, a leveling screw so I could clamp something down in here if I wanted to, maybe some fingers. Right here we have a little back grid. I'm actually going to tighten that up just a little bit more so it stays locked into place and doesn't move. But all this went together super easy, super quick. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. I think I'll use this as a product in my build. It has a nice little handle so you can take it with you. So I'm super stoked to work with them and get this project kicked off. So thanks for watching.